everyone. Welcome to the Beyond Query Optimizer, a journey into query optimization excellence course. In this course, we will learn about the best practices that can be followed for boosting the performance of the queries executed in the Denodo platform. The agenda of this module is to learn about the different topics which are going to be covered in this course. We will cover the modules related to automatic simplification of queries and cost-based optimizations. The Denodo platform provides automatic simplification of queries and cost-based optimization for queries executed against the Denodo server. Execution plans are created for every query executed in the server, and for the creation of these query plans, Denodo utilizes all the information available about the elements involved in the query, including view statistics, associations, primary keys, indexes, and more. This is in order to calculate which plan is best to execute. In the beginning of this module, we will get an introduction about the Query Optimizer, an introduction to the primary keys in Denodo, and we will learn how the queries are delegated to the underlying data sources. The execution engine tries to simplify the queries before the actual query is processed. The main goal of automatic simplification of queries is to optimize the queries by applying optimization techniques that are beneficial to performance. The result is the query will be pushed down to the source, and it will return the required results. In this section of the course, we will learn about different automatic simplification of query techniques such as join reordering, aggregation pushdown, removing redundant branches of queries, and selecting the most optimal data source when the data is replicated in several sources using the alternative wrappers feature. In the next section of this course, we will learn about cost-based optimization. This optimization technique allows Denodo to select the most optimal query plan. This optimization is based on the statistics which are generated for the views. This will help us determine the cost of processing the query, and it will choose the best plan for execution. In the next section of this course, we will learn about data movement. The data movement optimization provides a way to execute federated queries more efficiently by moving data from a smaller view into the data source of a larger view, and executing the operation in the second data source. By doing this, we could achieve performance improvements for various operations, such as join, union, minus, and intersect. In the next section of this course, we will learn about the Smart Query Acceleration. The Denodo execution engine is able to accelerate the execution of different queries where data is combined from multiple sources by using a special element in Denodo called summary. These summary views basically store the common intermediate results which can be used by different queries. So, instead of visiting a data source to retrieve the data, summaries act as an intermediate point where the results are retrieved and analyzed faster and deliver the results quicker to the end user. In the next section of this course, we will learn about the Denodo Embedded MPP. We will learn that the performance of queries can be greatly boosted for queries involving millions of records when using parallel processing. Essentially, Denodo will use the parallel processing power of the embedded MPP based on Presto to accelerate the query processing. In the final section of this course, we will learn about the caching best practices in the Denodo platform and see when the caching can be used and how cache can be maintained. Then, we will also see the best ways to manage the available memory for processing the different queries in the Denodo platform. Also, there may be situations when the performance may be affected, or there can be issues while processing the queries. We will learn about these query bottlenecks in the Detecting Bottlenecks module. Finally, we will learn how resources can be managed in the Denodo platform by creating plans and roles with the Resource Manager. As a final summary, in this course, we will get an idea on how the performance of queries can be tuned and accelerated such that the execution time is reduced while running the queries via the Denodo platform. We hope you enjoy and learn new concepts in the training.